Losing weight is often considered a challenging task. However, with proper planning and a sustainable approach, you can achieve your health goals and maintain your ideal weight. Starting a weight loss journey is not only about dieting, but also about building a healthy lifestyle that can be maintained in the long run. The first step in losing weight is to establish a healthy eating pattern. Focus on consuming more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean sources of protein. Reducing processed foods and added sugars will be very helpful. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods, you not only feel fuller longer, but also provide your body with the energy it needs to stay active. As part of your plan, it's important to control portion sizes. Many people are unaware of how much they're actually consuming. Try using smaller plates or measuring your food to better understand appropriate portions. In addition, pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues to avoid overeating. Practicing mindful eating can also make meals a more enjoyable experience. Regular exercise is a key part of losing weight and keeping it off. Find a type of exercise you enjoy, whether it's cardio, weight training, or outdoor activities like biking and walking. Engaging in physical activity for at least 150 minutes per week will help burn calories and improve heart health. Exercise not only aids in weight loss, but also boosts mood and sleep quality. In addition to diet and exercise, don't overlook the importance of adequate sleep and stress management. Quality sleep helps regulate hormones related to appetite. Meanwhile, stress can trigger overeating. Find ways to relax, such as meditation, yoga, or simply spending time in nature. Limit screen time to ensure better rest. This comprehensive healthy lifestyle plan can help you lose weight and keep it off. Moreover, set realistic and measurable goals. Healthy weight loss typically ranges between 0.5 to 1 kilos per week. After reaching your target, stay committed to the same lifestyle to maintain your weight. Having support from friends or a group can also make the journey easier and more enjoyable. Remember, weight loss is a process, and every step you take toward better health truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future health tips. Share your own weight loss journey in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story.